Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. It's your girl again, Ruthie, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made a passion twist crochet hair from my old braided hair and on my short natural hair. So guys, this is actually the braided hair I made. I used an expression hair and I did the twisting myself, and the next day I took it down. I wasn't actually comfortable with the hair. So guys, as you can see me, I'm spraying the hair because it's practically old, and I'm gonna be doing a passion twist with this old expression braided hair. So guys, as you can see this, I'm twisting from my right to my left. That is how to do a passion twist. You don't twist the regular way or the Senegalese way. You twist from your right to your left, and that is actually for beginners. And I'm pretty sure when you keep twisting, even if you start from the left to the right, it's actually definitely going to make a passion twist. But for beginners, you start from your right to your left, and if you want the ends to be straight like penciled, you can just do them equally. But if you want a thin twisted or curly ends, this is how you do it. You make it uneven, you don't make it equal. One part has to be longer than the other part, and then for you to be able to have a good loop, you twist a bit. You don't really have to twist so tight, or I don't know, but you just have to twist it a bit. If you want it tight, fine, but like the normal way is to twist it a bit, and then you twist from your right to your left. So guys, the only way you'll be able to make a passion twist out of a braided hair or an old braided hair is when you twist with the old hair. Because if you use a normal braided hair that you make just box braids, or you make normal braids on it, you won't be able to twist on that old hair. What you need is a twisted hair which you've made before. You can use an old hair for, like, let me say old hair that you've done for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or yeah, like that. As old as that, you can use it, but it must be a twisted hair, not braided hair. That's just the secret to this hair. It must be a twisted hair, not a braided hair. So guys, this is the outcome of the hair. As you can see, this is how the passion twist looks like on the old hair. Although when I finished making the whole hair, I still had to get a Mali hair to add to the remaining hair left behind. So I went ahead to get a Mali hair, and that was what I made to like fill up the space remaining, because the old braided hair I had to do this crochet hairstyle wasn't enough, so I had to use the Mali hair. Now this is how the passion twist looks like. It's ready to be installed. Now the next video you'll be seeing is the installation, but before then, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, ask any question, guys. So guys, as you can see, that's a straw I use just to make the loop more bigger, but you can just do it on a normal thread. I used the straw to make it more bigger because my hair is basically very short, so I didn't want to pull up the thread or stuff like that. So that was why I used the straw. But if you want a thinner loop, you can just do it on the normal thread. As you can see on the video, just use normal thread. Now guys, this is the remaining. I've been installing it, and I just want to show you how I did the installation. That is how the loop looks like after I took it off. And instead of putting my pin upwards, I'm putting it downwards because my hair is short. Number one, obviously everybody know my hair is short, and secondly, my hair wouldn't show. It would not show, because if I put it backwards and I want to flip the hair backwards, the little bantu knot is actually going to show there, and that's what we don't want. So in order for it not to show, in order for us to hide it, we have to put the crochet pin downwards, not upwards. So when you flip the hair, it doesn't show the bantu knots. And even if you flip it downwards or upwards like that, it's definitely not going to show. So guys, that's the third process I'll be showing you guys. And before I continue, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, ask me whatever you want to ask me. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, after I was done with the installation, because that was actually the last piece I could put, and I actually didn't want a full hair, so I had to do, I think I had like 60, yeah, I think 60 or 65 in the hair, because I didn't want something full. But that's aside, after I was done with the hair, I decided to make it more fancy and more girly, you know. So I decided to add a pin, all these fancy pins, and that's what I did. So guys, that's the particular hairpin I used on my hair, and I just wanted something little, so I didn't really pack it on my hair. I didn't make it so much on my hair. I think I just used 6, yeah, I think 6 or 7. It wasn't so much, or even 5. But yeah, I just wanted something little. I don't know, you guys would have noticed I like simple things, not too much things. So guys, this is the outcome of the hair, and I love it. The fact that I actually made the crochet myself and saved the money. I saved like how much. I can imagine going to the store or the shop to get this hair, and just 30 of it would be like $8. So I saved myself $8, and even going to braid my hair in the store too. So like, I really saved myself some money, and I'm sure you guys would love it. If you love it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And also please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. Stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.
It's all